Okay, so I'm making this video because I have a friend that is unsure about how Apple TV works by playing media from your laptop and how it's a lot more convenient than using, let's say, like a Media Center PC. Well, all of my media is, it's between different sources. It's on my iPad, it's on my phone, and I have several movies that are on my laptop. But the cool thing is that between your laptop, your iPad, and your iPhone, they all sort of connect to Apple TV and in a cloud. So if I want to go ahead and play stuff, I can use my iPad to remote control my laptop to play videos to my Apple TV or to my Apple TV. So here I have my iPad, and my iPad has an app. And let me go ahead and show that. Um, so this app is the Apple Remote. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Apple Remote goes ahead and it connects to your to a library that's on your laptop. Okay, so if you look right here, Chris's library is my laptop computer, um, and this is my living room Apple TV. So if I click on Chris's library, it'll go ahead and connect to your it'll go ahead and connect to your Apple TV, or connect to your iTunes running on your laptop and pull all of the media stuff. For example, here, I've got all of my music, and you can see this is a lot more convenient than going to your television and clicking on the down button a whole bunch of times on a remote control. I've got my thumbnail of stuff, so if I want to go ahead and play some Deadmau5, I'll just go ahead and click on the thumbnail. And again, this is the stuff that's on my laptop. Okay, so I'll go ahead and play some Deadmau5, and then I'll play Hi Friend. And then it just goes ahead and it streams it to your. It'll go ahead and stream it to your Apple TV, and all the while using my laptop as a server. So it's coming from there. So you can imagine how something like this would work if you have a desktop with like a terabyte hard drive or a few terabyte hard drive. You've got all your media and your movies on it. You just stick it in your on your server in the closet or something, and just play your music with the convenience of either your iPhone or your iPad looking through thumbnails. You don't really need to go and view or use a remote to go up and down through a menu. It's not as convenient. See, I can go ahead and click pause. I'm gonna go ahead and hit pause and show you how movies play on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click movies. And with movies now, I have several movies here. I have like How to Train Your Dragon, which is a good movie, Constantine, and these are all rips of DVDs that I've had. And you see little thumbnails. And again, these aren't things that are on my iPad. These are things that are on Chris's library on my laptop. Just using this as a controller, and your iPhone works just as well as a controller. So I'm going to go ahead and play, let's say, How to Train Your Dragon. I like that movie. See, and it'll just go ahead and tell your laptop or your server or whatever to push the video to Apple TV, which works out pretty well. Let's see, I can go ahead and go like now playing, and on your iPad it just shows just the thumbnail that you had, so you know what it is. But full controls, just like you were. I mean, if I wanted to go ahead and fast forward, I can use those controls, and you notice how they automatically update on the TV ahead of time. I can just kind of like drag it. It's a lot better than using a menu. And again, all of this stuff is on my laptop. If you have a server set up at home, it makes it pretty easy and convenient. Yeah, let me go ahead and just see iTunes. You know, you have your TV shows. You know, The Walking Dead. You know, this is you know, one of the TV shows that I tried getting. Actually, you know, so it looks. Say. So that's pretty much the way it works. I mean, if you want it as a seamless media server, you can do that. And you mean you don't even have to mess with the Apple TV controls per se. You just use your iPad or your iPhone as the remote for that. Of course, if you want to, you can also play stuff from your iPad. You know, if I get out of the remote and go to videos, and that's the cool thing about AirPlay is, you know, if I push play, you know, I'm not using the remote app. See, right now it's playing the Expendables on my iPad, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and oh, there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and click the Apple TV, and if you notice, it automatically plays, and those are actually movies that are coming from my iPad. Okay, so it's a pretty seamless device. It takes all of the movies on your iPad or iPhone, puts it in one spot. You know, play it on your TV. You know, it's kind of cool. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask, and I will answer.